Naijuhan ko ni Popo. Mali siya. Technical.
Kapit na. Ilan na mag-days before?
Mail anchor for ako yan commercial. Siguro duwa siya. Siguro Ma'am Josh, pang duklong. Ay, ayaw ka sakit-sakit ng tiyan. Bawal na.
Ayaw, lima.
Mag-listen to siya, libang. Ay, kalibang sa scripture dong. Or pag-anding ka na
Green.
miling-miling.
Or basta fetus.
Ano, 6.1, DSCC. Great news. RBC.
Ayaw, lima.
Broadcasting live from Kabataan Standalone Senior High School, DXTC, The Cliff News. Good morning, Philippines! Good morning, Davao! This is Amaila Balabaran and Lavi Dayan, and you're listening to DXTC, The Cliff News. On the top of the headlines, Kataon Volcano meets 500-meter move in Negros Islands. Philippine President Marcos said about the presence of Russian submarine in the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone.
106.1. Delivering the facts first.
Into what matters.
Broadcasting live from Metro Davao. This is 106.1 DXCC, The Cliff News.
1, 2, 3, play!
Tapos pumahan ko lagi alam si Fisher na pwede na lang daw. Meron akong nakilala kita na bagong bigla ang simba na totoo ako nung pagkaliwanag ko kahit ang kilay at ito naman. Hindi ko alam kung ano meron ka sa akin ay napalag ko sa bigla. Sinumala ang akalang lalaki pala ang bigli at tutulad ko tilingan lang.
What?
Kahit ako'y titibok-tibok.
What the?
Ako makadamdo. Doon pa'y ikaw o ako. O magaling may pagmatang ko balik. Pukawara ko buwag na mo. Dararatat, dati. Dararatat, dati. Dararatat, dati. Nagaya pa rin natin. Ay wala. Ay naman pwede. Sabay hindi gising. Alas 4:30. Sabay manunood ng paboritong programa. Okay, salit na bang mabalik ka ng araw? Di ba't ikaw nga yung reyna? At ako ang iyong hari. Ako yung prinsesa. Sigit mo palagi. Ngunit ngayon marami nang
So for today's video, ambot nagsamak-samak lang din.
Anong kastilatan mo?
Caution and all participants are free to wear any caution. Go to the air or have your body hit the anything upside down.
Leaving Davao, this is Thomas Sakura and Gustavo Carino. For progress in service. Lower my chop, lower.
Sound, sound, sound,
Hey guys, so we are currently on mental comprehensive elementary school, and what we are doing right now is DSPC this shit out. We will thug it out. Yes, there goes hide out. Hello, cute boy. Why is this boy looking up? Why are you guys looking up? Oh sheesh. I could be tripping or I could walk through the walls. I could do that like 2 days. I could walk through the walls, bro. Ramos, you know what you're missing out on? They're playing Roblox in real life. Look at them. Hey, hey, coffee. Yes, because I'm cute, hotty coffee. I deserve to be there, but the O there stands for me. Hotty coffee. This is our coffee. I mean, column writer, but my bad. Aha. Awa.
Guys, murata.
Workers mo to sa lot.
Ay, napalit siya.
Oh, go. Tanawa. Ako naman sila. Nagunan na ako eh.
Mami, mong anak, ma'am. Nakikita na ninyo, ma'am. Balik na lang to, uy. Init guys. Ha? Ano ka, ikaw mag-request? Dali,
Dapat lagyan na dito.
McDo tapos Jollibee. Wow! Mga traidor.
Ilang metro mo na ako pagdating?
Bago pa na nag-start, tulog na kayo eh.
Madly in love with each other. Hey, morning! The bride and groom, happy and distinguished guests, we have here in front of us Mr. Josh as our groom. Any one of you would like to object? Kapit mo na ba? Our special bride! Before we begin our ceremony for this bonding of two beautiful individuals, who would like to object? Is there anyone? From the
mag-drive sa tuwa sa DSPC ugma.
Oh, mabangga-bangga. Tayo na magkabangga. Say, go drive mo.
Me and Bulaw just found the real life Squid Game. This is Pentheropia. Uy, dumabailin ako ka skulahan. Nagkulog. Kanyo? Kabandian sa nalo ng Pablo ba? Nangutana. Mao ka na Yumi. Diya ka haut. Wala nga. Nagkunanay na sila ko open. Wala.